I don't know what's more frightening, holding the flashlight for my dad or for the old lady.
Don't you some bitches.
Here's Morgan replacing her headlights in her Honda.
Yeah. Grabbed it.
Down a little bit.
I know, but I think I forgot which direction the Y went. Well, I mean, she went in there, so. Can you put the flashlight in the right spot?
I'm doing the best I can, Dad.
That's not the right spot.
Can we get Legos after this?
Don't disappoint me. Oh, fudge. I guess I should have told the viewers step by step what to do, huh? And we never hold bulbs like this. That's bad.
Not
That's an
with
old one.
not with your bare skin. Always wear gloves.
Yeah.
Because the oils from your skin will cause this to crack and break and burn out once it superheats.
Yeah.
And so, for those of you that don't know, on the driver's side of a Honda Element, that's going to be the most difficult side because you have your battery and your air intake. Luckily, this piece has these little tabs on here. And you just kind of wiggle it on and wiggle it off.
And then
Just like that, you're done on the driver's side.
And then for the passenger side, oh my gosh. So, how to change a bulb 101. Open your hood. So what we're going to do is you have your little plug-in right here. I don't know if you can see me. Sometimes there's a clip on them. Sometimes they just pop right out. It's got a lot of the connective electrical grease on there.
Dielectric grease.
That's the word I was looking for. Pull that out of the side. You're going to have this little rubber dam thing. What this does is this is going to keep moisture and stuff out of your headlamp itself. You know, dirt, debris, anything going down the road, all the schmuck and yuck. So just kind of wiggle that fucker out of there. Set it off to the side. And then the next thing, I don't know if you can see in here. I'm trying to look through the camera here. Okay. So there's going to be this little itty bitty wire that's going to go across and hold your bulb in place, but
You got it?
yeah, on that side. But it takes me a second because, for one, I got fashionista nails on, and two, I got rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, fibro, so I can't feel it. So that's our little rubber
Spring
dammer
clip.
thing. Oh, yeah. And then your bulb comes out, and what you're going to do is remember how that bulb came out of there,
The
because
orientation of the prongs.
that's how you want them. And every time I sit it down and pick up a new one, I have 100 tabs open in my brain, so I forget the direction of the little Y itself. So, we grab this one, flip her around, and we come back on in over here. Make sure that's just like so. And then you're going to take your little wire, make sure it gets clipped back in there. Then you come back up here, and this is where you're going to grab your little rubber dam stopper thing. You're going to put it over those prongs and push that back in all the way around. Make sure it's seated in there, so you got to keep all the water and stuff out. Then you're going to grab your little connection, just push it right back in there. And that, light bulb changing 101.
And now before you close the hood, you turn your lights on and make sure they all work.
Oh, God, that's peer pressure. Hold on.
Are those your highs or lows?
That's my lows.
Okay, hang on, leave it there. Okay, your lows work both sides.
Okay.
They work.
And there you go, guys and gals. Light bulbs are easy. Don't let it be intimidating.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Midnight Customs, and this is Morgan's first DIY project, maintaining her own vehicle. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and drop us a comment if you want to see more of Morgan working on her car.
Yeah, we got suspension coming up. We got oil changes, all the 101s. Don't be afraid, ladies. Don't
Basic maintenance.
Yeah.
If the boys can do it, you can do it. Pop them
Absolutely.
nails off and give her hell.
Oh, hell no. Watch this. Hold up, hold up. You can do it with nails.
But only if you have a flare nail. Pinky's out for Harambe.
Yeah.
Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Drop us a comment, let us know what you think.